Hey guys, welcome back. Let me tell you guys, we just finished up Thanksgiving. Didn't have no big Thanksgiving to cook because I was at my brother's house and he did all the cooking. I brought a few sides, so I didn't bore you with any of that. So I do have some big plans for tomorrow, so I'm gonna prep for dinner tonight, and I'm bringing you probably my go-to chili recipe. And it's a great chili, and it's evolved over time, and it'll probably continue to evolve if I'm anything like the rest of you, and I believe I am. That's just the way it is. So let's get busy, and if I can remember the recipes as I do them, I'll put them down below. If not, you just have to follow along. It's a great recipe, and I can't wait to show it to you. Let's get going. Alright guys, I've got about a pound and a half, a little under a pound and a half of stew meat. The only thing I'm going to do here is just kind of make sure it's down to bite-sized pieces, which really it is. There might be some pieces. I'm going to look at it, just make sure there's nothing that we can't handle. A good bite in, a little bit there. Oh, this one ain't bad at all. A few pieces need cut down, but most of it's pretty good. You guys, this is about a little over 3 pounds of 80-20 ground beef. Gonna get it in there and get her going. It's running at about a medium to medium high. I'm gonna have to go back it off just a little. About a medium. That broke it up. That stew meat I had, I'll bring it on there with it. Look it all cooked together. It's gonna be one full pan. Gonna give this just a good dose of my salt, pepper, garlic seasoning. It could be anything. I've been known to use Emerald's Essence before. Like I said, this is my go-to chili. It seems to be slightly different every time I make it. Hey guys, I'll get back to you when this is good and browned off. I'm not cooking it done. I'm just getting it good and brown, and we'll finish it up in the crock pot. Okay, looks like we are pretty well browned off here, so I'm gonna get this drained and come back. We're gonna put this all together. It's very simple, guys. Like I said, this is my go-to chili when I'm in a rush. Get this dumped in here. Got our meat. Let's see if I can do this so you can see it anyway. All our meat. Got all the grease drained off of it. That's gonna be one beefy chili, guys. Love it. Let's make some very easy yet very tasty love happen here. That's just one big can. I think it's a, what, 30-ounce can or whatever of the Brooks chili mix, guys. Very simple. Dump the whole thing in. It's got your beans and everything. That is our starting base. Once upon a time, that's about the only thing I put in it. I've grown since then. I just got about a 16-ounce can, I think, of tomato sauce. And I believe it's about a 10-ounce can of just original Rotel, guys. Give this a good mix. Alright guys, just some more of that salt, pepper, garlic. Not a whole lot. Guys, this is the point where you just kind of let your imagination run wild. Throw in some chili powder. I don't know how much. We'll test this later. Probably tomorrow when it gets cooking. We're gonna add some salt, some pepper. Again, we're just gonna get something to get it going. I got some chipotle chili powder right there. We're just gonna add some to it. Don't want to go too much on that one. Mix this together. And to give this that final taste of love, got some spicy V8. I happen to be using the low sodium version today, but I don't always. And I'm gonna go by texture at this point. Again, I may or may not add more tomorrow. I mainly want to get it in here. This is going to set overnight, and tomorrow we're going to put this on and just let her cook on low for, I don't know, 4, 5, 6 hours. A little bit more. That's probably going to do it. Alright guys, this pretty much wraps us up for tonight. So I'm going to put a lid on this. We're going in the fridge, and then all this stuff in here is going to fall in love overnight. I'm going to put this on tomorrow and just see what happens. It's going to cook probably 5, 6 hours on low, and we'll see, taste it tomorrow and see if we need to add some. See you tomorrow, guys. Look at that, guys. Alright guys, let's get some of this goodness right here. Can't have chili without some grilled cheese. A few crackers on the side. Have to go in with a little cheese right there. Let's get a bite of this. Alright guys, I told you this was a basic chili that I make, but it is my go-to. When I'm in a hurry, it's raining, dreary outside, let's go in here. That's got a little bite to it. Tell you what, a little bit more bite than usual. I think some of that cayenne pepper, that chipotle cayenne may have stood out there. It's good though, not overpowering. Guys, this is just one of those cold, dreary Sunday meals that we do around here occasionally, and I'm sure you do too. And yes, this is a Bengals shirt. Go Bengals. Who day? So, guys, thanks so much for watching. And if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. If you hit that little bell over there, and I think it's down there somewhere, you'll be notified every time I post a new video. We're trying to do this every Saturday. Guys, thanks so much. We will see you on the next cook. God love you, folks. Bye-bye.